everyone, my name is Morgan Stasyszen. I'm gonna sing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele, and I'm a little camera shy, so I have my camera on, but I have it covered up, and here I go. Hope you enjoy.
I fall my heart, and as I fell, you rose to crave. You started, and I was over. I knew you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms. We are born to your feet, but there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. In the games you'd play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it scream out your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better, 'cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. In the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it scream out your name. I set fire to the rain, enough to rise to the flames. When I felt something back, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up at the door, that thought you gone must be waiting for you. Even now it was already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, enough to rise into the flames. When I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time.
Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.